Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things health and wellness. Today, we have a special video for our viewers who are living with diabetes. We understand that managing your sweet tooth can be quite a challenge, but fear not. In this video, we'll be sharing some delicious and healthy sweet options specifically tailored for diabetics. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about the importance of managing blood sugar levels. As a diabetic, it's crucial to keep your blood sugar in check to maintain good health. And that means making smart choices when it comes to satisfying your sweet cravings. So let's start with our first healthy sweet option: fruits. Fruits are nature's candy, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are also relatively low in sugar compared to processed sweets. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are especially great choices for diabetics due to their low glycemic index. Another fantastic option is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is rich in antioxidants and has a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to milk chocolate. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. Now let's move on to our next healthy sweet treat: homemade desserts. Instead of relying on store-bought sweets loaded with refined sugars, try making your own desserts using natural sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit. These alternatives can add sweetness without spiking your blood sugar levels. If you're a fan of frozen treats, we have a great option for you: sugar-free popsicles. You can easily make these at home using fresh fruits and a sugar substitute. They are refreshing, guilt-free, and perfect for a hot summer day. Lastly, we have a classic favorite: nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are not only a great source of healthy fats, but also provide a satisfying crunch when you're craving something sweet. They can help you feel full and satisfied without the blood sugar spike. Remember, while these sweet options are healthier choices for diabetics, it's essential to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure these options align with your specific dietary needs. And that's a wrap for today's video on healthy sweets for diabetics. We hope you found these options helpful and inspiring. Don't let diabetes stop you from enjoying the occasional sweet treat. With the right choices, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle and still satisfy your sweet tooth. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.